everyone, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to color glitter lips using the Color Therapy app. So for this lesson, I wanted to convey the look of liquid gold dripping out of a mouth with gold glitter caked onto the lips. The pen tool combined with the splatter tool work well for glitter. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Okay, so here's my inspiration. So you can see that the mouth is slightly open a little bit, and that's perfect to have the gold sort of just dripping out. Let's try to aim for that. So the best thing to do to figure out which colors to choose is to look really closely at the reference. So if you can see the gold part right here, it's almost a very pale yellow. And we have sort of like a pastel orange as well as a beige color here. So those are the colors that we're wanting to pick out. So under the shiny metal palette in Essential, I'm gonna use the third color from the top. So it's sort of a yellowish gold. And I'm just gonna tap to fill in the lips with that color. And I'll just tap the background in with black so it really pops against it. And then under the orange palette, under shades, choose the lightest pale yellow as well as a light orange. And then for our shadows, under the dark shades 1 palette, choose a dark brown as well as a light brown. In the manual mode, set the opacity to 100 and lower the size to about 14%. Make sure that coloring inside the lines mode is set to off. With those 4 colors, tap in tiny dots all over the lips, as many as you can. So we're just gonna make a series of tiny dots all over the lips, the top one and the bottom one. Now, once you've added plenty of dots, add the splatter tool. So go in the manual mode, select splatter tool. This time, have the opacity as well as the size at about 60%. And using those same colors, just tap in more dots so that you get variation on the lips. Now switch back to the pen tool and we'll just keep the same size and use that background base color. And with coloring inside the lines mode set to off still, you're going to draw the gold sort of just dripping out of the bottom lip. So it's just going to drip off one side and go all the way down past the bottom lip. And it's gonna get smaller towards the end, and then at the very end of the drip, it'll get round. And then you can also add a bit on the top of the lip as well. And then use your palest color and draw a highlight, sort of just in the middle of that drip. And then draw another line below that, and then draw one at the very bottom where the drip is. And then you're gonna use the smear tool and just start to blend that in. So just take your finger and just smear it across. And do the same thing with yellow and just draw another little line between those highlights and just blend those in. And you can also use that medium brown as well. And you kind of wanna outline that drip with the medium brown and make sure that blends in really well. If you need to lower the size a little bit, you can do that to help out. Apply the same steps to the top of the lip, adding in smears of gold. Make sure you shade the teeth for added realism. And you can apply the glitter effect to really make it shine. Try applying these steps with multicolored glitter or other colors as an option. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.